What up, everybody? It's your boy Fugimania. I'm back with a new video. I'm going to show you how to get new fans using Facebook ads. Stay tuned. Let's roll that intro, baby.
You don't wanna see me when my pockets get lower. I can love you, I can hate you. Life is like a roller coaster. Might be a criminal in the next 5 minutes. Bring me temporary pleasure, but your life is still finished. Had a picture perfect plan of how to get to the money. Shit fell through and a damn.
So I just want to show you guys some of the ads that I'm running now. You can kind of see some of the engagement. But here's the most important part of the ad. It's this section right here. Conversion rate. As you see, all of my ads are converting either average or above average. So what that basically means is I'm able to get in front of new customers with targeted ads that I've created and scaled to put right in front of the perfect person that's looking for my music. So it's costing me little or nothing. My most expensive ad is costing me a nickel per result, but I'm getting in front of thousands of new people who've never heard of me, and then I'm able to target and scale down to find my actual. Now, here's the thing. These ads can be used to get you in front of new people. So what you have to learn to do is use your Facebook Ads Manager, use your Facebook Business Manager if you haven't yet. You definitely want to get a Facebook fan page for yourself. If you're an artist and you don't have a fan page for yourself, you definitely want to get a Facebook fan page for yourself, okay? So once you get the Facebook fan page, okay, let's say you decide, well, hey, I'm going to run these ads and I'm going to run them for, maybe like 3 days, okay, right? So you get the ads and you first have to kind of test, all right? So you don't just come right out and throw in your money in the Facebook ads, because as you know, and I know, I've learned that you will lose your money so fast, you'll waste money so fast. I was paying like $12 a ad and shit, when I started out, because I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. Things have gotten a lot better. So this is what I'm doing to be able to get myself in front of new customers, new clients as far as music, or if it's just in my business, all right? And you don't have to spend $1 million to be able to do it. Once you learn how to do it, oh, my cat's having some issues. Sorry, I didn't mean to really step on you there. Anyway, once you learn how to do it, you have a lot of different avenues that you can take to basically start making some revenue and making new contacts. Once you cultivate these people, man, you need to engage with them, but that's a whole nother video. We're not even going to get into that. What we are going to get into is the Facebook ads. Now, again, what's crazy about the Facebook ads is so many people don't even use them. But more importantly than that, Facebook has added a lot of new creative tools for creators. Creator Studio. So Facebook now has a Creator Studio, and the analytics and the way it allows you to get in here and see your numbers is like crazy good, man. Let me just show you some of this stuff. Show y'all some of this. So the Facebook Creator Studio, I'm going to put together a course, like I said, and I'm going to teach people how to do it. You know what I'm saying? So let's just pick one of my posts. So let's see. Let's pick something that I've engaged with. This is a pretty new account, so let's just pick this one that actually has some distribution on it. All right. So this is one of my favorite. Oops, I'm sorry. This is one of my favorite things. Sorry guys, I'm having some technical difficulties. This is one of my favorite things. You can see all of the insights on these different posts, and they're going to be right here. So you can see who's watched the video for a minute, you'll be able to see who's watched it for 10 seconds, etc., etc. And then you can start to scale your audience based off these numbers, okay? And I can teach you There is an art to ads. I did not know that. It really is. It's kind of a science to creating the right ad and getting it in front of the right person. Anybody can create a Facebook ad. We know that millions of people create Facebook ads every day. But if you don't know how to maximize and optimize your Facebook ad account, it's not going to really do you much. You're just going to be spending your money and you're not going to see very good results from it. So that's just facts. That's just what I've learned in my experience of dealing with Facebook ads. So there's a lot of different avenues that you guys can get out there with. Of course, YouTube, Instagram, but this is a Facebook video I wanted to put out there real quick from these ads that we're running. So I'm going to go over here. Boom. Now, when you look at these ads, this is one of the ads that you're seeing. Of course, the God Mode ad is in there. Okay, so let's just take a look at this and this. All right, so you're gonna see this video and this thing more than any other video that I have right now, just because those are the ads that I'm running. So let's take a look. Now, keep in mind it's 4 in the morning right now, so just keep that in mind. So 4 hours ago, 6 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours, 10, 12 hours, 13, 14, 15 hours ago, 17, 19, 21 hours ago, 1 day ago. Okay, so all within 24 hours. Let's just take a look at the traffic and engagement in just 24 hours. That is the power of your Facebook ad account if you know what you're doing. So trust me, you can definitely get in front of new people, and that's what we need as independent artists and no label and all of that. We need to get in front of as many people as we can for the most cost-effective way that we can. All right, so I just wanted to make a quick video. I don't want to make it too long, but just know that I have a new Facebook course. It is available for you. You can take the Facebook course. It's 3 days. Or if you just say, man, I don't want to go to school right now, and you just want me to market your music for you, I will come in and set up your Facebook ad account for you for a nominal fee to make sure that you get the type of engagement and results that you're seeing right here on this video. I will do it for you for a small fee. You know what I'm talking about? But it's better to teach a man to fish than to always give him fish. At least that's the old saying that I've heard from my granddad and them. So check it out. You can take my Facebook class. I'm gonna get some information for y'all. You can reach out to me on the email, or you can hit me up on the DM or something like that. I'm just gonna teach a few people. I'm not trying to teach everybody, but I am gonna teach some people that are eager and people that I feel that are talented and have a future in music. All right, so if you have a business, or if you're an artist, and even realtors, all of that, and you need help getting leads, or you need to get in front of new people, targeted leads, I got you. All right, it's your boy Fugimania. I'm gonna go on ahead and stop this video now because I'm kind of sleepy, but I'm gonna smoke. More importantly than that, it's your boy Fuji. Holla back, Star Wars, sports news, and media.